下議院最終係以153對151兩票嘅優勢否決呢個決嘅要求。換言之，由上屆自由黨政府引入嘅長春登記法係得以保留。不過保守黨議員就重申唔會罷休，會繼續將槍管作為下屆大選嘅重要議題。特別係會追擊嗰啲喺鄉郊選區原先支持廢除槍管，但係其後改變立場嘅議員。今日係中秋節，華人傳統家庭都會喺呢個人月兩團圓嘅日子，一家人食一餐係豐富嘅晚飯慶節㗎。再加上各式各樣嘅月餅，食多咗就好容易會引起消化不良㗎啦。喺今日嘅健康醫療環節啦，記者羅永森係請嚟咗中醫黃繁盛去講下一啲消滯解毒嘅良方㗎。
中國人一向都以月圓嚟到象徵團圓，喺中秋節傳統上，華人家庭都會一家人聚埋一齊食餐飯，一邊賞月一邊食月餅，祈求全家平安。對住咁美味嘅菜式，大家當然會食多一啲。咁而食多咗油膩嘅食物，容易引起消化不良。呢個時候最好就係飲翻啖茶消下滯。但係中醫話，選擇茶嘅品種都要視乎個人體質。
咁如果食得太多出現咗問題，通常我哋就要睇個體質嘅。好似熱底嘅人咧，熱底嘅人咩叫熱底咧？即係佢容易喉嚨痛啦、舌口乾舌燥，中意飲水啊咁樣啊，比較食好涼嘅嘢都好舒服嗰啲人咧，呢啲人就要飲綠茶嘅，飲鐵觀音啊呢啲我哋比較主張嘅。咁佢可以消滯，即係茶可以幫助熱底嗰啲人去消啊，呢啲係綠茶。咁寒底就唔能夠用鐵觀音嘅喎，越食佢就越滯，個丹麥係唔識喐嘅，會寒會痛會硬住。咁寒底係飲咩茶咧？飲普洱啦。咁呢個就係茶方面嘅啦，即係話可以幫你消滯。我哋中國人咧都幾知道啊，茶可以消滯嘅。咁如果你話我唔想飲茶啦，咁茶你又或者佢唔飲得，佢唔中意啦，咁我哋就要攞麥芽，麥芽呢個或者有一種城中成藥叫做六和丸。六和丸就係我哋古方嚟嘅，以前宮廷入邊啲皇帝咧食滯咗啦，細細個嗰陣時咧，佢有隻配方叫六和丸，入邊有山楂、麥芽、神曲啊呢啲啊，咁啊幫助個消化嘅，因為佢入邊係好多嗰啲叫做消化酶啊，所謂消化酶就幫我哋嘅消化系統去消化啲食物嘅，咁啊有麥芽啦，有山楂啦，呢啲萊菔子啦。雞柳根呢一類嘅嘢都係提高我哋消化酶嘅，咁所以呢個咧就消滯個作用好好嘅。咁當然有啲人有一個辦法就食白粥，白粥係咩意思咧？因為白粥佢當佢滯咗以後咧，佢消耗晒我哋啲消化酶，我哋俾佢休息下，休息下咧，我哋食白粥就清腸胃。
中秋節除咗係食月餅之外，楊桃、沙田柚、富有柿呢啲時令嘅水果當然係唔少得。好多人都知道柿食得多對身體冇益。喺中醫嘅角度，柿係會影響消化系統。
柿呢種嘢係比較含有油質性嘅，油質即係一個格字邊一個柔軟嘅柔嗰個油喎，咁係咩意思咧？呢種油質嘅嘢，即係我哋食落口度會澀嘅，澀就含油質多啦。咁呢種嘢咧，通常越生嘅生果咧就越多嘅，特別係喺柿嘅皮嗰度。所以啲柿如果你放腍晒食咧，就冇咁傷胃嘅。咁仲有一種柿係硬柿係嘛？咁硬嘅柿咧，佢就攞石灰製過嘅。咁呢種柿就傷胃多過腍柿嘅。柿越生咧就越傷胃，咁所以你將啲柿放到腍晒嚟食咧，就冇咁傷胃嘅咯噃。咁我哋講，你當然任何嘢食多咗，你個胃都唔舒服㗎啦。你太多甜嘢落去咧，個心啊太多啲甜嘢落去，佢會變酸。咁你胃酸多得滯咧，佢亦都會傷個胃嘅。咁所以咧，任何一種嘢，我哋中醫都唔能夠建議你話食太多。呢個就係我哋保護自己嘅胃腸啦。
有冇話食幾多先至算係太多咧？
一般你超過4、5隻耳就多㗎啦。一般我哋身體一般3隻以內啦。除非佢200-300磅咁啦嚇。
中醫建議可以用麥芽、健曲、山楂、雞內金煲水飲，能夠達到和胃化積、消食健脾嘅效果。Omni News 記者羅永森喺溫哥華報道。
大灣地區嘅天氣方面，預測今晚係間中多雲，午夜有雨，最低氣温係13度。預測聽日會有90%機會落雨㗎，天氣會轉涼，最高只係得14度。一齊睇下未來5日嘅天氣預測。跟住係德國平原4個城市嘅天氣預測。稍 省內4個城市嘅天氣預測。北美4個城市嘅天氣預測。最後係中港台4個城市嘅天氣預測。休息翻嚟會報道英聯邦運動會即將揭幕，不過連日嚟事故不斷，參加國家對印度準備不足係感到憤怒。
匯豐祝各位中秋節快樂！匯豐環球金融，地方智慧。
做船務嘅可靠性對於我嚟講係非常之重要㗎。我不斷咁都係讚 Toyota，者佢非常之可靠。我信賴我嘅 Toyota，呢架已經係我第5架啦。
How many times has this happened to you? Well, never again with the Benchmark Accurate Tape, only at Home Hardware and Building Center locations. The rugged 25-foot Benchmark Accurate Tape features a pencil holder and a pinpoint marker for ease and precision. There's a magnifier for easier reading and an LED light for accurate measurement. The Benchmark Accurate Tape. For good measure, it's just $17.97.
Only at Home Hardware and Building Center locations.
Remember when you drove that car off the lot for the very first time? How it felt taking a little extra care, or just making the time to take care. And remembering that faster doesn't always get you there quicker. What if we could remember to drive like that every day? Driving smart is a renewed attitude towards driving we can all be a part of. It keeps us safe and premiums low. It's more than just avoiding crashes. Remember, drive smart.
For tonight's dinner, you are having spaghetti with meatballs.
Whoa, are you psychic?
Por favor, you make it every Wednesday. Try some Hotel Paso. Look how much fun they're having, making tacos. Hotel Paso, mucho fun tonight.
Now your healthy lifestyle can include 20% of your daily fiber in a 100-calorie bar. A little chocolatey encouragement doesn't hurt either. The new 100-calorie bar from Fiber One.
CFC 小全季最低廉嘅貨品，呢部 Craftsman 鏟雪機可節省250蚊，正價 Wonderbra 盒裝胸圍同內褲會扣後有4-5折，全季最低廉嘅貨品就係 CFC。
伊朗西北馬哈巴德省一個庫爾德城鎮，朝早進行閱兵期間發生爆炸，導致11人死亡，47人受傷。咁死傷者大多數都係婦孺嚟㗎。爆炸發生嘅時候，大批市民正係觀看當地為慶祝兩伊戰爭爆發30週年而舉行嘅閱兵儀式。咁當時一個放置喺包裹內嘅炸彈發生猛烈爆炸，死者當中包括2名軍方司令嘅妻子，另外有多名傷者情況危殆。喺80年9月22號，即係伊朗伊斯蘭革命之後冇幾耐，咁當時由薩達姆統治嘅伊拉克，基於邊境領土糾紛同石油爭議入侵伊朗，而長達8年嘅兩伊戰爭最後係以兩敗俱傷結束。每年9月22號，伊朗都會喺多個地區舉行閱兵，紀念呢場戰爭。印度即將舉行英聯邦運動會，不過係不斷傳出尷尬嘅事件。位於新德里嘅主場館據報係有天花倒塌，不過當地官員就極力否認。呢個喺新德里嘅尼克魯體育館嘅舉重場館有部分天花板塌下，不過當地政府官員就澄清並非天花倒塌，只係有2-3塊瓦片跌落嚟，未有人受傷。瓦片嘅面積大約係有2尺乘2尺。印度近日發生連串同英聯邦運動會基建項目有關嘅尷尬事件。早前一條行人天橋倒塌，導致正喺橋底施工嘅20幾名工人受傷。除咗意外頻生之外，仲陸續有運動員以保安等理由退出。不過籌委會成員就保證，印度嘅體育館同選手村都係世界級，全部會如期完工。今屆英聯邦運動會喺10月3號揭幕，預料大約係有7000名運動員出席比賽㗎。溫哥華市長 Gregor Robertson 月初聯同本地商界代表訪問中國， 咁並且係同廣州市同埋兩間能源投資機構簽署合作諒解備忘錄。Robertson 認為咧，此行係成功促進溫市同中國喺潔淨能源科技上嘅合作。不過有團體就抨擊市長係浪費公帑。羅永生報道。
Robertson 接受本台專訪嘅時候話，此行嘅目的係要加強溫市同中國城市嘅聯繫，特別係喺潔淨能源科技同數碼娛樂工業上嘅合作。
Well, it was a real awakening, the scale of investment in the low-carbon economy in China. It is a huge priority for the central government and for all of the cities who are dealing with real problems, environmental problems, from air quality, water quality to horrendous traffic in the big cities.
訪問中國期間 ，Robertson 同廣州市市長萬慶良會面，兩人簽署一份低碳環保及綠色經濟諒解備忘錄。加拿大納稅人聯會批評溫哥華、列治文以及本拿比市長近期紛紛借商業合作為名出訪中國，其實對促進經濟並起唔到任何嘅作用。
What we used to do as a company is invent memorandums of understanding so that these politicians would have something to sign when they met with these people. It's a total fiction. It's a load of BS. I've done this myself, and it's just something that politicians use to appear to be doing something.
今次嘅行程，溫市府共花費12萬元。Robertson 認為呢個係長遠嘅投資。
I differ on that. I think this trip was very focused on business, and previous trips by mayors here in Vancouver and mayors or government officials across Canada have been focused more on cultural exchange and diplomacy. That's not what my focus was, because ultimately it's hard to measure the positive impact of that, and it is expensive to take a delegation.
Robertson 除咗出席上海世博嘅溫哥華日慶祝活動之外，仲訪問咗北京、溫氏姊妹城市廣州以及香港等地，期間逗留河北省石家莊市嘅白求恩墓及紀念館，而隨團嘅仲包括市議員呂建華。Omni News 記者羅永森喺溫哥華報道。
位於本拿比 Market Crossing 嘅 Caddis Club 餐廳嘅洗手間啦，係被網民選為全國最乾淨舒適嘅洗手間。呢個洗手間咧，唔單止係地方乾淨寬敞，咁裝修設計亦都係甚為講究㗎，配有防撞箱設計嘅家私、電視、磨砂玻璃門同埋實木牆壁，被網民投票推選為全國最舒適乾淨嘅洗手間，係本國第一次舉行呢一類嘅比賽。咁而溫哥華香格里拉酒店內嘅洗手間亦都列入頭5名之內。稍後翻嚟會報道美國國家經濟委員會主任薩密斯年底離職，係總統奧巴馬經濟團隊當中第3名離職嘅高層。
部分節目內容係由 Remax 贊助播出。Remax 加拿大備受歡迎嘅地產經紀。
Okay, sir. Here's a free courtesy phone while we fix yours. Thanks. Hey, how's your phone?
Busted.
So what are you using?
Payphones.
If your phone doesn't come with a free handset protection guarantee program, it's time to switch to Rogers.
I feel alone with you inside my mind.
And in my dreams I kissed your lips 1,000 times.
I sometimes see you pass outside my door.
Hello, is it me you're looking for?
I can see it in your
IKEA, any space can be beautiful.
This new zesty mango McMini is really zesty.
Zesty.
Zesty. Zesty. I love that kick of mango. Kick of mango. Ladies, thank you. Can we put the break in lunch break? She said break, break. Really?
McDonald's new Zesty Mango McMini for just $1.99. Put a little mango in your bed.
Hey, I'm Jason. My roommate in there does a lot of private tutoring, which really cuts into my TV time. So then it hit me. What if my laptop could work just like a DVR? Next thing I know, with Windows 7, you can record